Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. Now this one here is going to be uncut, unedited. What you get is what you get. Now, let me give you the reason why we're here. All right. We're here because my computer is unconscious. It hasn't died yet, but it's unconscious, which hinders me from doing videos on this channel, right? And I'm sad about it. And I'm having an issue with not being able to put out videos every day. Now, I'm quite sure somebody's out there saying, well, it's because you're putting out 3 and 4 videos a day. That's not it. That's not it at all. What we're doing is with those, we're trying to structure out our videos to be able to bring what's best for the viewers, right? I caught it actually, we're getting a virus, of course. I caught it by actually trying to better the channel, trying to get some software to be able to have some lower thirds, some new transitions to bring new flavor to the channel. And I end up catching the virus. Now, I knew I had this virus for a little bit, but it got so unbearable that I decided to do a restore, and it didn't restore, right? So I'm like... Listen, I'm telling you, I was sad yesterday, right? Now, this is a vlog, right? Or is a vlog simply walking around with a smartphone? Should I be walking around, or is this okay? All right, so we're gonna sit down. We like sitting down. But listen, people, I don't know. What else do I do, right? And I have another option, right? I have one more option. And I've been avoiding that option for the longest. And I'm quite sure it may be a very convenient option, but I like looking at things on the bigger screen. As you know, I wear glasses. Today it's okay not to wear them because I'm not actually looking at the flip screen when I'm using my Canon T5i. So I'm shooting with the Galaxy Note 8. I'm quite sure this video looks phenomenal, right? Sharp in detail, contrast, the best phone of the year. And I don't need the glasses, right? But to video edit on a smart device seems a little inconvenient. I mean, in my opinion, maybe I just really need to give it a try. And I tried one time before and I just couldn't figure out the ins and outs of the editing process. It seemed confusing compared to using Premiere Element 14 on my computer. All right. But if I don't, then my channel will be under construction for at least 2 weeks, right? Now, can I do 2 weeks without doing videos? Listen, my mind, I can't wrap my mind around that right now. So therefore, we are going to do some heavy research today as to find out how to use video editing on the Galaxy Note 8, right? And with that, I need for you to cross your fingers that you see a video tomorrow and it's edited real nice, then that means I was successful, and that'll probably be the one that you're watching right now. But if you don't see one for the next 3-4 days, then I had an issue. I couldn't grasp it. I couldn't do it. Right? But we're going to give it a try because we enjoy bringing the videos, and we know a lot of you all enjoy watching the video. You have your routine where you watch my videos in the morning and the afternoon, and listen, that does my heart well to know that somebody's watching my videos like that, right? So it's important for me to make a way because the show must go on. We got to continue to put out videos, so we're going to give it a try. So I need for you to cross your fingers for me, because if you're looking at this video, I might have done okay. Now, I'm here to give you a heads up as to, is there going to be an outro? Is there going to be intro? I don't know. Are you just going to get the middle part, which is unedited, uncut, kind of like this one? Or the stitching isn't going to look too great, in between videos, like when I do the top 5 or the top 3, or I'm just simply doing that single one. That's going to be the easy one, kind of like it is now, because I'm just kind of flowing. There's no editing. This is straightforward. Then that means if I'm doing this, I could possibly go ahead and do that live stream, because I do have a couple of topics I do want to talk about, right? But for this video editing on a smartphone, I've seen it done. It still didn't make any sense to me as to how to do it. But we're going to go more in depth. We just need for you to comment as, if you've done it before. Let us know which video software is the best out there so far as editing on a smart device is concerned. So I can't take my wife's computer. I can't take my daughter's computer. So I have to find another way, because my daughter goes to school. My wife is working on some things so far as another job is concerned, and her channel as well. And if you have not checked out Hungry Huckabee, check out Hungry Huckabee. It's another channel my wife has started, and she has made some muffins, right? So you can come on in, go ahead, grab you some milk, grab your muffin, and make yourself at home. But yes, Hungry Huckabee, you can find it up on the YouTube. We would love your support. We're trying to build that channel up as well. My wife is good at what she does. And again, we would love to support. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. That's all I had. I just want to give you a heads up on what you may see. And I'm asking you to bear with me as I try to learn how to edit on a mobile device, right? And I'm sad. I'm sad. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for this video. We got to get out of here. I got to pick up my daughter. And now I got a little while, about another hour and a half. I got to go back out and get her. And so I have a little time to myself to do some research and some studying on how to figure out how to edit on a mobile device. So, I mean, for whatever comments you have, if you know anything about lower thirds, if you know anything about transitions on where I can get it from without catching a virus, and or is there a store that I can go to, like let's say Best Buy, and purchase a software disk and then download it onto my computer and don't have to worry about getting a virus, then I would greatly appreciate that. Just hit me in the comment section down below and I would be most thankful for that. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Comment down below. Let me know how I did. Am I ready for prime time so far as live streaming is concerned? Or do I have a little bit more work to do in practicing? All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I'm going to see you all at the next one. And peace out.